In this video, I'm going to show you a chart that could absolutely send Bonk to the absolute moon. If you guys like the content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more. What is up, guys? My name's Ari, and in this video, we're going to be having a look at deep dive at Bonk. We're going to be having a look at Bonk price prediction to see where it could potentially go in the near future. Bonk is currently up 20.2%. If we have a look right here on the weekly time frame, we're up 50%, and you might be wondering why. Well, Bonk.Fun was obviously launched, which is a high competitor of Pump.Fun, and we know Pump.Fun has been absolutely exploding. But the good thing about Bonk is that you need to essentially buy the token. You need to buy the token in order to essentially start a token. Hence why we are seeing its market cap absolutely increasing in value, and hence why we are seeing a price increase of 50% on last week. As you can see right here, everything is pretty much down. I mean, everything is down between 10 to 15, even 20% in the last week alone. And in the last day, everything is pretty much in red besides Bonk and Ton. Ton announced a big partnership. We will be talking about that in another video, but Bonk right here is up 20%. Having a look right here at CoinGecko, the market cap is currently sitting at $1.689 billion. In the past few days, I did make a few videos on my other YouTube channel, Altcoin Trend, how Bonk could explode. I made one 2 days ago and one 15 hours ago, so I will be posting this video on this original channel right now on Crypto Dose. The trading volume is currently sitting at $1.1 billion. Do you understand how high that is? 1.1, that's like almost 100% of the market cap of ratio is currently being traded. Now, having a look and doing some analysis, can Bonk really 20x from here? If Bonk 20x is from here, the market cap would approximately be $28 billion. Is that doable? I think that's definitely doable considering how high Solana is, but not yet. If we have a look right here on the weekly time frame, Bonk did break a massive downwards trend. Traders need to be aware though, we do and are coming near a resistance. This is the resistance that Bonk is currently attempting to go for, and we're most likely going to reach that. The big question is, will it break this resistance? We are still 40% away from that on the weekly time frame. We did have a crossover on the Stochastic RSI, which the blue is over the orange, which is considered a bullish pattern. Okay, now this is a downward trend. I'm not talking about any downward trend. I'm talking about a downward trend since November 2024. So I don't want to say a year, but close to 8 months, something like that, maybe 7 months of a downtrend that Bonk has been in, maybe a little bit more. And if we have a look right here on the 12-hour time frame, Bonk is currently nearing right here a order block. Okay, so we did pretty much clear this order block. You guys can see we peaked above it. Obviously, this is a pretty clear order block. Our next target will most likely be this one, which is a very, very important resistance right here. If Bonk manages to break this order block or this resistance, we're most likely going to essentially go parabolic. You can see on the top right of my screen right here, everything and every time frame from the 15-minute to the 1-day time frame is currently bullish. And on the right side of this screen right here on the chart, everything is pretty much in red except for Bonk up 15%. That is a massive, massive difference. Yes, the coins that are in green are up 1%. 1.5%, maybe 2%, and then you have a look at Bonk up 15 whipping percent of the day. Now, something that's very, very bullish on top of that a lot of traders are maybe not paying attention of is this volume. We are seeing a massive volume spike. Okay, now the last time we saw a massive volume spike, we actually saw a reversal. Okay, this was a massive volume spike after the breakout, and we saw a reversal. So I would be very, very careful here. We could definitely see maybe a slight correction. Remember, this is on the 12-hour time frame. This is not on the 1 hour or 30-minute time frame. So the correction could be bigger than we think. But every time we have these volume spikes right here, we always come back and retest or correct just a tiny little bit. So this is where traders are going to have to be careful, especially if you're leveraged. Now, if you're a long-term investor and you're a long-term holder, I wouldn't be worried so much. In my opinion, things could be really going well for Bonk. Obviously, there's nothing to be worried about. If you're a long-term holder, you could keep on accumulating. You could even buy now. But if you're trading, I would be careful because obviously you could get liquidated, especially if you're playing with 10x leverage, 5x leverage, etc. But that is my video, guys, on Bonk. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like. And if you guys want to join the Discord, everything will be left in the link in the description below. You could get access to free VIP. All you have to do is sign up with BYDFi. The link will be in the description below. Not only is this the last day, so if you are a new user, this is actually the last day. You guys can see right here, July 6, 2025. This is the last day for traders to deposit. So if you deposit $20,000, you could get a $2,000 bonus. If you deposit $1,000, you get a $1,000 bonus. And if you deposit $500, you get a $500 bonus. This is of course for whale traders. And then you have a regular trader right here that if you deposit $1,000, you get a $200 bonus. Now, on top of that, you could get access to the scalp signals and swing signals that we are currently on. You can see right here that we are currently up $5,248 on the PayPay long. So you could get access to pretty much all the swing and scalp signals, short-term, long-term, along with market analysis. Everything is free. All you have to do is just pretty much sign up with BYDFi, enter a UID right here, and you're done. If you guys like this video, once again, don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more.